Hey my friends, do you want to enable quick preview when you press spacebar like that of macOS? Here you can see when I press bar this happens. So let me show to you how to enable Quicky Preview in Windows 11 new update. First, click to open Microsoft Store. Here search Quickly Look. Press enter to search. Here is the app. Click to open. Now click to install. This will start to download. And after install, now click to open. Done. Now let us see how it's working. When I select this video and just press the spacebar button, see what will happen. Amazing. It just preview the file. So, I hope this quick tip video will be more useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.